Today, we're gonna farm 50 tier 5 chests in Project Slayers with this 5% drop increase rate and see if we get any good drops, see if we get lucky. I just killed Ikaza and I got Uzui Tengen's blades with the first drop. It's looking pretty good so far. Let's see if we can get more lucky.
Boom!
No freaking way. That's Supreme Doma Top and War Fans? Hey, I kind of lost count on what chest this is, but if I were you, I would immediately get this 5% drop rate because that is insane. I don't even know. I'm still amazed that I just got War Fans and Doma Top in one. I don't even know if I should just stop now or just keep going. I mean, this luck is crazy. This is a great run. But I think I'm just gonna keep going. Try to get to 50. I mean, we will get to 50, but like that is crazy. I mean, Doma Top and War Fans on the same chest. If you guys don't get this drop rate, I don't know what to tell you. Make quick work of you real quick. Like I was saying, to get the +5 drop rate, I might as well just say it now. You need Iridaki's mask, and you need Ichimatsu's Harui, and that will give you +5 drop rate. I would advise that you do it now, because this is insane.
That's the end of the video. From 50 tier 5 chests, I actually somehow got more mythical drops than rare drops, which is insane. Plus getting Supreme Domatop with just 5% drop rate is crazy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.